Hello, my name is Wendy Bailey and I'm the head of the client training team here at Informa Pharma Intelligence. We offer many types of free training for our clients, which include pharmaceutical companies, CROs, financial consultants, and healthcare communications agencies. Firstly, we offer open sessions that any users can register for. These include introductory sessions as well as more advanced sessions focused on specific use cases. In addition, we offer tailored training for clients which focuses on specific use cases and user groups, such as R&D, BD&L, competitive intelligence, clinical, and regulatory affairs. During 2021, our team in Europe trained around 5,000 people from hundreds of different companies. We always love the opportunity to speak directly with our clients and have found that many people feel that this adds significant value to the work they are doing day to day. We'd be happy to set up training for you and your colleagues and look forward to hearing from you.